Hi everyone, welcome back. I made an Italian style cheesecake, and to this recipe I added 6 whole eggs, which I whipped up really good. Then to this I'm adding a capful of vanilla extract, a good vanilla extract. You don't want to use imitation. And 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that really well. Make sure the cornstarch gets dissolved. Then to that, we're going to add 2 cups of sugar and mix that really well. Then I purchased 2 32-ounce containers of ricotta cheese. So I used 1 whole container and 16 ounces from the other to make up 3 pounds of the ricotta cheese. And we're going to combine this together. I wanted to take some time now to thank all my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and once again, thank you. So we're going to combine the cheese with the other mixture real well here. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Should have mentioned that earlier. And take your pan. I used a springform pan that a girlfriend of mine lent me because I don't own one. And I buttered it. And that's where I will be pouring my mixture in. The cooking process was the 10-minute preheat. Then you're going to drop it to 350 degrees. And you're going to bake for 1 hour. And then you're going to let it rest in the oven for another hour. And then you're going to cool it on the baker's rack. And you're going to cover it and refrigerate it for 24 hours. And then is when you get to open it, decorate it, do whatever you want to it, and eat it, of course. So there it's coming out of the oven now. Beautiful, beautiful. This was my first Italian style cheesecake. And 24 hours later, there it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I decided to decorate it a little bit with some whipping cream, Chantilly cream. I used a block of cream cheese, a cup of heavy whipping cream, and a cup of powdered sugar and some vanilla extract. And I whipped that till I got some peaks forming, and that's what you see here. And it was super delicious. Then I also did a reduction of raspberry, package of 12-ounce of frozen raspberries. Added a cup of sugar, 1.5 cups probably of sugar, and a little bit of cornstarch. And I reduced that at a simmer. Bring it to a boil first, and then you simmer for about 25 minutes. Now you're going to take some powdered sugar and put it over the cheesecake. As you can see, it's cut in already because some people here couldn't wait to have it. So yeah, whatever. But I like to continue decorating it, so I put some powdered sugar over it. Now I'm going to show you how I did that raspberry sauce from the reduction. So just bear with me a little bit. Video might be a little long, but it'll be worth it. So you take your reduction and you get a bowl and you put a sieve and you're going to put spoonfuls of the reduction through the sieve and squeeze out that nice raspberry sauce. It was so delicious. You can also, when you're making the reduction, add more sugar and keep tasting if you want it a sweeter raspberry or semi-sweet and semi-tart, which is the way I had it. So you can do that. And then you're going to sprinkle that sauce all over your cheesecake or on each individual slices like I did, because some people don't like raspberry here. So that's what I have to do. Everyone has different tastes in this house. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And please do like this video to support my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much.